Welcome back to another video, guys, and today we're going to be playing Raft, okay, with tickets. And on today's video, we're going to actually be trying to go to a landmark.
Actually, I'm going to do fishing, because we need food.
Oh, look, let's go to that island.
The island right in front of us?
Yes.
A few moments later.
Oh, I see a chest up there.
You want to paddle us there?
Okay, I'm just going to run for it. Oh shoot, that's a tall island. Do you see that?
Where?
It's right there. If you face this way, you can see it. Okay, let's go that way. It looks pretty tall.
But in the meantime, we need to work. Start getting materials.
The shark ate something. You need a spear.
No! My spear broke! My sail!
No! What do you need for another sail?
A lot.
Let's get out of here. Next island. Here we come.
Okay, there's a crate over here.
Oh yeah, I got it. I'm getting it. I don't care.
Good, I need
died.
water. I need... how?
Oh my gosh. Look how big that island is.
Oh yeah, that's one of the main islands.
Let's go there.
Oh, that eagle. Okay, you see that big bird in the sky?
Yeah.
It drops rocks on you and it really hurts. So don't die.
Uh-oh. What's that light thing up there?
I don't know. We're gonna find out.
Oh my god! Jesus.
Alright, you ready?
The shark scared me so much. What is this?
There's a person?
Is this a shop?
Yeah.
I died. Oh my god.
There's a boar. I forgot about boars. Boars charge at you. Don't get killed by them.
Oh jeez, the boar. I can't even kill the boar. I only have an axe, and that's like it.
Yeah.
Ah!
I'm getting railed. Oh, I'm about to die.
Dude, why does that rock do so much damage? I hate that.
I'm dead.
Come on, go. Run.
Double fam.
Wait, can I kill this bird?
No. Maybe.
Oh, I'm about to die too. Dude, this boar. I hate this boar, dog. Can I kill it? I can't. Never mind. Oh, I'm about to die. I'm at like 1 HP. Oh, I died.
I got you.
I need 3, bro. Oh, I can make that. Never mind. I'm good.
I'm dead.
Dude, I hate this bird.
I'm about to die. No, one heart. One heart. Kill him. Both of us. How did I die?
How did I die?
I think the bird. Wait, you died?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh.
I died again. I'm done with this bird.
Let's just explore. There's a boar. He's stuck. It broke!
Oh my god. Here, let's leave this island, okay?
No. Dude, don't tell me we're stuck in here.
Let's just get out of here.
You actually want to?
Yes, because this freaking bird is gonna keep killing us.
Alright, guys. We're gonna be leaving. Dude, the rock. The animal island is gonna go here. So he just got killed. He is so mad. So we're gonna try and leave. Let's see if our boat can fit here.
Oh my god. I'm done with this.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh my god, I'm so done with this game. Oh. Oh my gosh, I'm so done with this game.
Where you at?
I'm dead. Oh, I died
my
too.
God.
Here, destroy the sides of the thing. Or whatever.
That's all those wasted resources.
If we can get freaking out of here and stop that kill count. I died. Oh my god. A kumbaya, my lord. Do it on this side over here. There's nothing over here. Please.
Come on, Chet. Be asleep.
Come on.
Be asleep.
Yes!
Let's go.
Did you die?
No. Chet. Chet. Only wasting all of our resources. All of them. It took us out of there. Hey guys, so we visited Animal Island, as you can see, like the white part of it. Leaving that, and we're gonna see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.
Bruh.